Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today, we're going to explore the multi-calendar view. The views in the multi-calendar help you stay organized by displaying your events across different time periods, including daily view, focuses on one day at a time. Weekly view, displays your entire week at a glance. Monthly view, gives you a broad overview of your month. And now, the new quarterly view that shows events over a 3-month span. You can choose your preferred view from here or set it as the default in the app builder. Here's how. Click on the gear icon and select Edit Page. From there, choose the multi-calendar component. You can set the default view to daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Let's go ahead and set it to quarterly. This view will be your default. Click Save. Click Back. Perfect. Your view is now set to quarterly view as the default. Thank you for watching.